Karaoke, karaoke, karaoke. No matter where you go in the Philippines, you got karaoke. This looks super nice right now. Very cool. Hello, the 14th of January, Saturday, and we are in the VerdeAzul resort up in Morong, Luzon, which is about 15 kilometers away from our house. And we came up this morning early just to hang out at the beach for a day, and we decided just to go ahead and spend the night up here. Not cheap, about $1.50 US, but it is what it is. You can't, you gotta enjoy life, right? So, I don't know if you can see behind me. I don't know, all I see is reflections behind me, so hopefully you can see the beach. I'll walk over there. It's just about sunset. Me and Diana did a video earlier that we had to erase just due to extreme inaccuracies and unprofessionalism. Like all my videos, but she didn't like it. So yeah, we're just chilling, and man, I feel, honestly, I've been there, done that last year. That's what drove me into retirement, was the freaking weather you guys are dealing with in the Midwest of the United States this well, today and this next coming up days, man. Be safe. Just take care, and remember, there's places like this where it's sunny and 88. So I'm gonna cut this off. I'll go get some video of the beach. Like I say, it's sunset, and y'all take care. Go Chiefs. I can get up at 1 o'clock in the morning and watch it here, but I think I will just wait till I get back home, and I'll watch it on my DAZN, D-A-Z-N, because I can watch it live, or else I can watch it on demand. So I'll just watch it later. I ain't got to worry about hearing the score, because nobody here cares about the Kansas City Chiefs or football or much of anything. Everybody here is just trying to survive day to day, so they're all just trying to have fun, enjoying life. All right, man, we all take it easy. Take care.
Yeah. Hi.
Here we go.
We now
Sunset
VerdeAzul.
in maroon.